What's up, everybody? Welcome to beautiful, sunny Arizona. I'm here at the backyard of my boy Aaron. This is TD's and AZ. Make sure you guys follow him on Instagram. Aaron went to Bone's Fine Meats here in Arizona. Got some beautiful pork steaks here seasoned up with some barrel-aged bourbon. So we're gonna go hot and heavy. Just gonna get a good sear on each side. Then we're gonna move them to the indirect heat. I open my beer and I start running my mouth. Cheers, man.
Cheers, Prost.
Oh, I broke that glass. Look at that. These pork steaks have been seasoned up with barrel-aged bourbon. They've been sitting for about 30 to 45 minutes. I'm just gonna put them back here.
Oh,
Put that here. We got some Sicilian sausage. Beautiful, sunny Arizona right now. Raining all morning. Phoenix, Arizona, everybody.
yeah. Badass meat.
So my fantasy football team, I am in the championship game. A quarterback by the name of Jalen Hurts. I should have known better than trust an Eagle in a championship game. Happy New Year to everybody. Nursing your hangover. We got one more game left and we're done. No, not the cheese. Maybe in the Super Bowl. I don't know. Pork steaks here. These were seasoned up with barrel-aged bourbon. TD here with TD's Brew and Barbecue. Make love to your meat.com. Get some TDs in your face and make your weekend badass. Happy New Year, everybody.